Hello everyone, this is Manshi, the member of THS Academy, and today I'm going to share my experience of learning and speaking English. Why I'm sharing of my experience? Because in a college time I had a lots of problem to speak and understand English because sir used to teach in English and I am from Hindi background and I did not understand anything and I had butterfly in my stomach. I needed to improve myself and as well as my communication skills, and that time I decided to join any coaching center. Then I came to know about THS Academy. Then I joined to demo classes in this academy and I felt like I can improve myself. Then I was surprised this academy provides so many facilities and I liked the atmosphere in this academy. Then I decided I joined academy. Then I attended the regular classes and I participated in GD, debate, presentation, and it's a very useful for me, and gradually I improved myself. That's why now I'm speaking English in front of you. And this academy provides so many facilities in you can read a books, newspaper, magazine, and if you cannot join academy, you can watch many informative video in this YouTube channel. And this channel provides so many informative and useful video in our daily life and regarding our interview and job purpose. At last, I want to recommend you join this academy and improve your English. If you feel good, you can continue your further course, and definitely you will join this academy. You can improve yourself and your communication skills. Thank you.